Today we will talk about clothes. Listen and practice. Clothes are an important part of our daily life. We wear clothes to protect our bodies from the weather. Clothes vary according to the seasons. In summer, we prefer light clothes, such as short shirts and shorts. In winter, we wear warm clothes, like coats and woolen sweaters. Clothes are not only for protection, but also to express our personality. Some people like classic clothes, while others prefer modern and fashionable clothes. Colors play an important role in choosing clothes. Some prefer light colors, and others prefer dark colors. There are formal clothes suitable for work, like suits for men and formal dresses for women. And there are casual, everyday clothes, such as jeans and ordinary shirts. Shoes are also an important part of clothes. There are sports shoes and formal shoes. Hats protect from the sun and complete the look. Accessories make clothes more beautiful, like bags, watches, and jewelry. Traditional clothes reflect the culture of each country, like the kimono in Japan and the jalaba in Morocco. Children like colorful and comfortable clothes, and young people like trendy and unique clothes. Shopping for clothes is an enjoyable activity for many. The internet has made buying clothes much easier. We should choose clothes carefully for a neat and elegant appearance. Clothes are part of our daily life and reflect our personality and tastes. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the new updates.